Hey guys, this is Train Man Ray here, and we are recording a train who's coming up on us real quickly. He just passed a signal. Oh, we got a Santa Fe warbonnet. Yeah! We done good on this train. 4 engines. Santa Fe warbonnet, and we even got them to blow their horn extra time for us. We caught this just in time. Next, I want to see a DPU. Might be long enough for one, we hope. There's the end of the train and no DPU. DPU, where are you? That was a fast-moving train, guys. I actually thought it was much longer, but hey, that was a good train. Just missed a DPU, but that's alright. We got it going. Train Man Ray is signing out. Stay awesome, guys.